how did you know? You're like the second or third person. I'm part of the Collective Genius Mastermind. There's another guy named Frank Conva, and he started buying like pieces of land like 5-6 years ago. And I almost feel like now more people are jumping onto the piece of land because prices have gone up. Was it just something that you felt eventually you can build on them, or what was the thought process? Because I almost felt like you were ahead of the curve.
Yeah, the numbers made sense at the time, and we don't have the infrastructure to build 50 homes a year, nor do I want to be a main home builder. It was just kind of a side project where we would do a couple of months here and there, and until those lots got exhausted. So we were lucky that the market gone up, right? It could have gone down and said, hey, we bought these lots, and we could have bought them with a 20% discount 5 years later. So any asset class that anybody has invested in the last decade, right? Mm-hmm. It could be watches, it could be cars, it could be land, stocks. You're a genius, right? You could be a really bad trader right now, crypto, it could be anything, and you're a genius. So this is a really easy market to be a bad fundamental trader and make money no matter what. If you're not making money in the last decade, then there's really something wrong.